Welcome back to Bike Shift. Today we are talking about the all-new 2026 Bajaj Discover 100, a commuter motorcycle that brings together fuel efficiency, modern styling, and everyday practicality. The Discover series has always been known for affordability and comfort, and the 2026 model continues the tradition with several exciting upgrades. From its refreshed design to improved mileage and smoother ride quality, this bike is built for daily riders who want reliability without spending too much money. The 2026 Bajaj Discover 100 comes with a cleaner and more modern appearance compared to older models. Bajaj has given the bike a sporty headlamp setup with LED daytime running lights that make the front look sharper and more premium. The fuel tank gets stylish graphics and a muscular shape that adds character to the small commuter segment. The side panels are redesigned for a sleeker profile, while the long seat and grab rail improve practicality for family use. Alloy wheels and blacked-out engine components give the bike a modern touch that younger riders will appreciate. Even though it is an entry-level motorcycle, the overall styling feels fresh and attractive. Powering the 2026 Discover 100 is a refined 100 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine designed mainly for smooth city riding and excellent fuel economy. The engine produces enough power for daily commuting while remaining lightweight and easy to handle in traffic. The throttle response feels smooth, and the gearbox is tuned for relaxed riding. Bajaj has also improved engine refinement, meaning vibrations are lower even at higher speeds. Whether riding through crowded streets or short highway trips, the Discover 100 offers a comfortable and stress-free experience. One of the biggest highlights is its mileage. The bike is expected to deliver around 75 to 85 km per liter under normal riding conditions, making it one of the most fuel-efficient commuter motorcycles in its category. Comfort has always been an important part of the Discover lineup, and the 2026 version continues that focus. The suspension setup absorbs bumps and rough roads effectively, which is especially useful for daily city travel. The upright riding position reduces fatigue during long rides, while the wide seat provides comfort for both rider and passenger. The lightweight chassis also makes the motorcycle easy to control for beginners and experienced riders alike. Bajaj has also improved braking performance with a front disc brake option on higher variants, giving riders better confidence and safety in traffic conditions. Even though the Discover 100 is an affordable commuter bike, Bajaj has added useful modern features. The bike now includes a semi-digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, trip information, and mileage data. LED lighting improves visibility and gives the motorcycle a premium feel. Some variants may also include a USB charging port, allowing riders to charge mobile devices during travel. These practical features make the Discover 100 more suitable for modern everyday use. The 2026 Bajaj Discover 100 is expected to remain budget-friendly, making it an excellent choice for students, office workers, and daily commuters. With its combination of stylish looks, strong mileage, comfortable ride, and trusted Bajaj reliability, this motorcycle continues to be a smart option in the commuter segment. For riders looking for an economical bike that can handle daily duties with ease while still looking modern and stylish, the new Discover 100 could be one of the best choices of 2026. Thanks for watching Bike Shift. Stay tuned for more upcoming motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and latest bike updates.